Hey guys, welcome back to Creativity and Inspiration. If you're new, welcome. I'm happy you found us. If you keep coming back, thank you. You're very special. Today I have the perfect gift either for yourself or gifts either for yourself or for the paper crafter, junk journal lover in your lives. So we're just going to jump in. I do want to apologize really quickly for not having a video up sooner. My son and his wife are visiting from out of town. I haven't seen them in over a year. So it did a mama's heart good to see them, and I'm so happy they got to come. But they've gone home, which makes me very sad. That's okay. I have work in a little bit, but I want to get this filmed for you, and it will be edited and posted overnight. The gift wrap journal will be up on Monday. I'm in the process of editing, but let's get into this video. Hey guys, I have the perfect gifts for you or for the book lover in your life. First up, I have this great bag. It is a book holder, whether you read and annotate books or whether you are a junk journaler or you do Bible journaling. This bag is amazing. Comes in a bunch of different colors. And I want to show you the pockets. Look, this is your front pocket. It's got another pocket inside that's split in two for pens, sticky notes, markers, anything you think of could go in there. And then you have this big pocket with a second big pocket, so you could actually store 2 books in there. This is a 9x6 journal, and look, it fits perfectly. Lots of room to close it up, and then I could put everything I needed in here. It's got a cute little handle. It's quilted, high quality material, perfect for the journaler in your life, okay? And it's on Amazon. And guys, I am not an Amazon associate. Repeat, I am not an Amazon associate, so I make nothing. I'm just sharing some great gifts for the junk journaler, Bible journaler, book annotator in your life. And again, this little bag on the go, whether they're going to a park or going to school, wherever, is perfect. The second great gift I've got for you to share with you is this book binding kit. This thing is amazing. Look what you get. You get 4 different types of thread. And guys, you get 4 different colors of binding thread in this kit. You get white, brown, gold, and black. You get a nice pair of new scissors. You get 2 different kinds of clips to hold your cover and your journal pages down while you stitch it together. 2 different types of clips. These would hold your signature down while you poke holes and sew it in. These would hold the signature to the cover. Or a smaller journal and signature, a thicker journal and signature. You get 2 different types of tools to poke holes in your pages and your covers so you can stitch them together. You get 2 different types of needles. You get a curved needle, which are really cool. They're right here, and you get some big straight needles. They have big eyes, easy to thread. So 2 types of needles. You get different sized bone folders. You get a nice metal ruler. You get these little things which help you tear your thread, and a thimble to help you push your needles through. You get some cotton fabric strips to make ties for your journals or to put along the spine to hide the thread. And you get a brush if you want to use it to decoupage your cover with. But look at this. This is the Junk Journal Lover's Guide to Making Your Own Cover. There is so much in here. It is insane. And I just wanted to share all of this with you because that's what I do. I bring you things I find that I love and share them with you so you can treat yourself or someone you love or a dear friend. So again, this is our book binding kit. You get 41 pieces with it. It's pretty amazing with all the different items in it. And this great carrier for carrying a journal, a Bible, a book, and all the supplies you need to annotate or create. You could put everything in here if you're making a journal on the go. You could put your cover and your signatures in here, this whole kit in here, and make your cover somewhere while you're out. Anyway, guys, that's what we've got for today. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed that bag. It was quilted, just really good construction. That one was pink. They come in all different colors. And that journal cover making kit, binding kit, is amazing. Both are linked below. And again, I am not an Amazon associate, so I will make nothing off of the links. If you want to use those to go check it out and shop, be my guest. I'm pretty excited. I think this is the perfect gift for any paper crafter, Bible journaler, book annotator, junk journaler in general will love both of these items. Thanks for being here today, guys. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the little bell and click all because you don't want to miss any videos. On Monday, we're going to talk about all the cool things you can do in journals using all that leftover gift wrap. I'm sure everybody has. I always have a ton every year. I'll see you on Monday. Have a great rest of your weekend. Bye.